This is the 21st question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module. This is a hard set of math questions. Number 22, 21 reads, given equation, sees a constant, which is the following is one of the solutions of an equation. So we've got the solution's going to be getting x. We got to get x alone. In order to do that, I'm going to subtract this from both sides. And what I get is this right here. And then after that, I can since I have the same denominator on the left, I could just write it as one denominator up top. It's x squared minus c squared over that root x squared minus c squared. And then I've got to get rid of the square root. So what do I do? I've got to square everything. So I square the top, and I square the bottom, and I square the right. And then in this step over here, don't foil. Because notice at that point my squared minus c squared is the top and the bottom, and you cancel those. Equals 39 squared. I'm going to keep it at 39 squared because each of the answer choices. And once I cancel those, I get x squared minus c squared equals 39 squared. And then to get the x squared alone, I got to add c squared to both sides. And I get it there. And then to get x alone, I got to take the square root of x squared right here. And what's my result? Anytime you say x squared equals something, it winds up being plus or minus. So x equals plus or minus square root c squared minus 39 squared. D is going to be your correct answer. To see the full video, check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlist, Test 2 Module. Longer videos, just shorter videos. I take my time and really like actually do this. Have a great day.